Hey guys, it's your girl Jazzy. I know I'm like all in my car sweating. Well, I'm using the older car, so I'm having a bit of technical yeah, it's gonna get resolved. But anyways, I've been needing to do this review like forever. It's in regards to this new drink that I've been turned on to, Celsius. This stuff is really, really good, and I found that at the gym, a lot of people actually drink this one. This one is peach mango green tea. These are non-carbonated. They increase your metabolism. It doesn't have crazy amounts of caffeine. Matter of fact, it leans towards some more natural caffeine, like we have in here. Let's see, ginseng, ginger extract root. Has green tea leaf extract and granada extract. They're all a little bit different. My favorite is actually the kiwi. It's a kiwi mango. It's really, really good. Some of these have sucralose in them, which I'm allergic to, and I just happened to get the one that has sucralose, but a lot of them actually have stevia. So we know that stevia is a natural plant root that's sweet. It's a sweetener. So these are really good. They're like $2.50, $3 each. But you can definitely purchase them at, like, I don't know, any gas station. I haven't had one yet that wasn't delicious and that didn't give me that spike of energy and just really helped my brain focus. It's not really meant to give you energy like, I'm gonna work out, go crazy. It's not like a Monster or a Red Bull. It's not like that. It's more like a brain focus, natural energy, boost your metabolism. These are really, really good. And this has, let's see, 10 calories for the full 12 ounces. Not bad. Anyways, consider this. This is a good one. I may be coming back with more reviews on this, but I've been drinking this for the past 2 weeks or so, and I absolutely love it. I recently, to anybody who actually watches my videos, they saw that I ran the Global Run this past Sunday. I actually drank one of these at the very beginning. And it did give me that spike of energy. Of course, I was in major pain because my ankle isn't completely healed. And I thought I'd push my limits, but I pushed it too much. Anyways, look out for Celsius. This is a really good drink. If you're looking for something more natural, it doesn't have aspartame, but this one has sucralose. But again, you can get the one that has stevia, which is a kiwi one. The kiwi watermelon is kiwi watermelon. That's the one. Oh, I love it. Or kiwi guanava. It's really, really good. Anyways, and it's slightly carbonated. Not like, oh my gosh, this runs through my nose. It's really, really good. Anyways, I kind of wish I had another one. So wind's coming in because, again, I am having technical difficulties where my AC is not on in the car. The door's open. It's hot, but I need to get this done. So try this out. Celsius. Thanks. Bye.